Good afternoon. We're back after the marathon Atlanta trip with all the various superchargers that we were recording. And we're going to grab one more before the sun sets. We're going to go to Santee, South Carolina. Okay, we're approaching the Santee Supercharger exit. It's exit 98 on Interstate 95. We're approaching on I-95 North. It's not much different on I-95 South, except at that point you'll have already passed the public rest stop. Like literally the other side of exit 98 is shared with the public rest stop. So while I normally give extra points for having a 24-hour restroom, this one's got it either way. So last I heard, they actually were doing maintenance on their restroom at the inn, and so even if it's down, you're still covered. All right, so coming in, you've got a Shell gas station, Marathon, McDonald's, Burger King, Verizon gas station. One of the nifty things is that Marathon gas station is actually called the General Store. They have an interesting mix, especially if you're going to go fishing or doing anything at the lake. They can get bait and tackle or just whatever you might need. General Store. Go figure. Alright, so then there's Clark's Inn and Restaurant, who are actually the Supercharger host. Oh, policeman. Okay, and then take a right, and you'll arrive at the Supercharger. There are 6 stalls. They were recently upgraded from the original style of Superchargers. Alright, and so again, you don't want to share numbers with anybody. So we've got somebody on 1 and on 2. 2, yeah. So we're going to go to 3. Try not to dent and scratch their new Model 3. Like so. A little further. This cable is short, like all Superchargers. Alright. Let's go plug it in and see what happens. Doing great, how you doing? Alright. Just like that. Yeah, but they're all different too. Like some of them are 1 2 1 2, and some of them are 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yep. All right. So at this location, the layout is 1A, 2A, 3A, and then 1B, 2B, 3B. Like so. And so this Model 3 is now moving, so he's not sharing with any of us. Just make for a faster charge. So, as I mentioned on the intro, yes, they are redoing the inn. So, their restrooms are straight ahead under these awnings. There's one on the inn and gift shop, and one on the restaurant. I like the one in the restaurant, and they have great food. Also, another plus that I always give for Superchargers is if they have a maintained trash can, like this one here. Somebody actually put a trash can in, secured it, and they change it regularly, which is nice. Another thing to mention at this Supercharger is do not use the Holiday Inn restrooms. They are not a host. They do not want to be a party to this. So unless you are a guest of the Holiday Inn and staying the night, do not use their facilities. Okay, so I was going to try to get some drone footage of the Supercharger and the surrounding area, but it is under a no-fly advisory for the drones. It is within 5 miles of an airfield. I don't know if an airfield counts the same as an airport, but I also don't want to find out and get a ticket, so we're not even going to try. Alright, so from the Supercharger station, if you want to walk to, say, the McDonald's, The parking lot actually connects with the back of the general store, so that's a really easy trip.
In Santee, no go restroom in Holiday Inn. Okay?
Yes, so she's reminding us not to use the Holiday Inn for anything. Alright, so let's see if we can't get a look inside the general store. I don't know if they have a filming policy or not. We'll find out. Well, y'all have seen a McDonald's, so I'm not going to go into the McDonald's on film. Although, some french fries might be nice. Alright, so this here's the Clark's restaurant. Their food is good. It's pricey, but good. And it's a good, healthy portion as well. They do have a vegetarian pasta. I enjoyed it. Literally, it's a general store. You can get deer corn. You can get some... What is that? That's cat food? Really? You get cat food. So you get some wood, burn it. Oh, you must keep your pants up around your waist or don't waste their time. Just get a little bit of everything in here. Got a decent selection. You got some sporting goods, some lottery tickets. Snacks, accessories, beverages, just whatever you want. It's a nice little store. Staff is friendly, and they've actually got some restrooms too if you need them. It's like a gas station convenience store plus. Ice is not free. A little bit of celebration materials there. Some fireworks. And don't be a heathen, open the fireworks packages. And just some tin signs. We're doing some ice cream. Fresh ice cream. Oh, they've got cool there. Okay, so we're now leaving the Wendy's. Or the Wendy's. The general store. There's a Wendy's here that I didn't notice earlier. But I always notice it in a Waffle House. I just didn't think to say anything on the way in because whatever reason. This equipment here, I don't know what it is. Sometimes it's loud enough to be heard across by the supercharging equipment. And with that, I would give this supercharger, I'd give it a 5. I'd give it a 5 out of 10. Like I said, it's got facilities for you to be able to use the restroom nearby. Everything. It's got food. A lot of the stuff closes early. You're in the middle of the country. It's what happens. And everybody's friendly. They treat you well. So I'd give it a 5 out of 10. It's small. It's quiet. There's no reason to be scared at night. I've heard a lot of people say, "Ooh, it's so scary." I haven't seen anything that would make me be fearful of this place. So that's the Santee Supercharger for you. Okay, we just finished our trip to Santee. Recorded a nice video showing everybody where the amenities are and some tips and tricks and a word of warning about the other hotel that is not hosting. They don't want us. They do not want us to use their facilities. They're not receiving rent or lease or whatever they're not receiving rent from Tesla for the spaces, and they're upset that owners are coming and using their restrooms and facilities. Now, if you're a patron of the hotel, you stay the night, they're quite happy. They have no qualms with taking your money, but it's when, I don't know if we've had some guests that have been not good guests or what the situation is there, why they're not interested. Maybe they are just bummed about losing the contract. Who knows? Don't care. But so this week we've got a couple good videos coming out for you, and it's gonna be a blast. So we'll catch you on the flip side.